Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your profile picture from WhatsApp. It's a very simple tricks and very useful tricks I think. So if you want to do, first of all go to WhatsApp, then again go to three dot menu. From here go to setting option and now click to privacy option. Here you can see multiple option. From here go to profile photo. And here is the magic. Who can see my profile photo? Everyone, my contact accept and nobody. If you can select to nobody so that anyone can't see your profile picture. It's a very simple, I think it's a very useful tricks and useful option for us. So if you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.